In this video, we are going to cover neck pain and we'll see how we can recover from it. This video is divided into 4 parts where we are going to cover the causes of neck pain, posture correction, exercises and at last stretches. Neck pain or stiffness can happen for a variety of reasons. Here are some causes of neck pain. Having poor posture while driving a car or walking is a very common contributor of neck pain. Worry or stress. Mental stress can cause the muscle to tighten, which builds up tension and pain in the neck and back muscles. Sleeping with your neck in a bad position. We spend almost a third of our life sleeping. That is a third of your life that you can be putting your neck in the wrong position. So always try to align your neck along the spine while sleeping. Carrying a heavy shoulder bag or purse can also cause neck pain, especially if you are carrying it on one side. Technology. Using a mobile or computer with a bent neck puts excessive pressure on back and neck muscle. Posture correction. To summarize, almost all the causes of neck pain these days is due to poor posture, where the head and eyes are looking down something like this. This way, the trap and neck muscles are overworked, which causes the pain in cervical region. To fix this, always look straight with chin back, ears above the shoulder, so that the pressure doesn't come on one particular neck muscle. And if you travel a lot, then use the cervical collar for neck support so that it gets rest and heals faster. Exercises. If we can make the muscles surrounding the neck stronger, then less pressure will come on disc and joints in cervical region. First exercise you should do here is chin tuck. With the help of your fingers, tuck your chin in as shown and hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds. You can do 10 to 15 reps of this and avoid pushing your chin down like this. Now let's look at some isometric exercises. Isometric exercises strengthen the muscle without putting it through full range of motion, that is, without moving body parts. One such example is elbow plank, where we strengthen our core without any movement. For neck isometric exercises, push your forehead as shown and resist that force with your neck muscle. Similarly, second way you can push is from left side, then right side, and at last push from back of your head and resist with your neck muscle. Hold each for 5 to 10 seconds. Stretches. Stretch the neck muscles from all the sides as shown. Note that you should not try to overstretch in any direction. Use a towel for the stretch and look up while gently pulling the towel down with both hands. Next, you can cross your hands and stretch your neck left and right with help of your towel. You'll feel stretch and relief at back of your neck. You can do the same stretch using your hands. Neck and shoulder stretch. Pull one hand with the help of other hand and bend to the other side as shown. If there are any stretches or exercise which you find uncomfortable, then avoid it. Some bonus tips you can use for neck pain relief. Include healthy fats in your diet like omega-3, drink plenty of fluids and eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Avoid heavily processed food. That's all for today's video. If you found the video useful, share it and you may consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated on our future uploads. Thanks for watching. Let's get started.